Stock options in Excel. If you trade options or manage an options portfolio, you already know how important it is to have real-time data and powerful analysis tools right at your fingertips. Excel is the perfect environment for tracking stock options because it gives you complete control over your data, your formulas, and your workflow. Today, we will walk you through how MarketXLS brings institutional-grade options data and analytics directly into your Excel spreadsheet. Before we dive in, let us quickly cover the basics. There are two main types of stock options. Call options give you the right to buy a stock at a specific price, while put options give you the right to sell. You will also hear about American-style options, which can be exercised any time before expiration, and European-style options, which can only be exercised at expiration. MarketXLS supports all of these, and you can analyze them right inside Excel. Getting started with MarketXLS is straightforward. Once you install the add-in, you will see a new MarketXLS tab in your Excel ribbon. From there, you can access the spreadsheet builder, popular functions, screeners, and more. To pull options data, you simply type a MarketXLS function into any cell, just like you would with any Excel formula. Let's start with pulling a full option chain. To pull a complete option chain, use the getOptionChain function with any stock ticker. For example, typing the function with AAPL will return the full chain with calls and puts across all expirations. You can also filter by using the at the money, in the money, or out of the money variations. For weekly or monthly expirations, there are dedicated functions like getOptionChain weeklies and getOptionChain monthlies. MarketXLS even has a near-term function to focus on the closest expiration dates. Once you have your option chain loaded, you can analyze individual contracts in detail. Use the bid function, ask function, last function, volume function, and open interest function to pull specific data points for any option symbol. These functions work with standard option symbols, so you can build custom analysis views exactly the way you want them. High volume combined with high open interest often signals strong market interest in a particular strike price. Understanding the Greeks is essential for options trading. MarketXLS gives you direct access to all the key Greeks right in Excel. Use the delta function to measure how much an option price moves with the stock. Gamma shows how fast delta changes. Theta tells you how much value the option loses each day from time decay. And Vega measures sensitivity to changes in implied volatility. You can also use the quotes and Greeks function to pull all of this data at once for any option contract. Now let us put it all together and build an options portfolio tracker. Create columns for your option symbol, quantity, entry price, current bid, current ask, and profit or loss. Use MarketXLS functions to auto-populate the current prices. Add the Greeks columns so you can monitor your portfolio level delta, gamma, and theta exposure. You can also add the days to expiration function to track how much time you have left on each position. This gives you a professional-grade portfolio view that updates in real time. For more advanced analysis, MarketXLS offers implied volatility calculations with the implied volatility function, plus the IV rank function that shows you where current implied volatility sits relative to the past year. This helps you decide whether options are relatively cheap or expensive. You can also scan for unusual options activity using the unusual stock options activity function, which highlights contracts with abnormal volume or open interest. And with the put-call volume ratio function, you can gauge overall market sentiment for any stock. That covers the essentials of working with stock options in Excel using MarketXLS. From pulling option chains to analyzing Greeks, tracking your portfolio, and scanning for unusual activity, everything happens right inside your spreadsheet. If you would like to see MarketXLS in action, you might want to book a free demo. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to stay updated. The demo link is in the description.